Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be replacing the cabin air filter, 2014 Corolla here. This is the part number we got here for the cabin air filter from Toyota. So let's get started. So first thing, just go ahead, open the glove box, passenger side. You're going to find out you need no tools to do this. It's very good. We're going to come on over to the right side over here, this little tab right here. We're going to push this in to release this, just like that. Let this hang down. And now you're gonna grab the both sides like this, squeeze in, and you'll see that it just comes right down. And right on inside, you'll see the air box here. Just go ahead. Little tab here on the side, push that, slide right out. You'll see that I've got arrows telling you which way to put the filter. Pull this out. And what do we have here? What's this? It looks like there's a napkin in here. Wow. So I straight up had a napkin in here. So I should be getting more airflow now. Oh, I didn't even notice that I had lower airflow. Okay, well, hopefully this will be good. So now I just put in the new filter. Arrows pointing up. Just like that. Now, I know it looks like there's a big gap here. And there's probably thinking that you have the wrong filter. No, you don't. This is the right size. If you feel in here, this is actually blocked off, and it's blocked off down here, so there's actually no airflow going through here. This is the right size, don't worry. So it kind of just sits in there like that. You put this back in, clip it in on this side. Now when you come to close the the glove box here, lift it up here first and then just kind of hold it and push this back in place. And now once that's being held on, these need to be pushed back in. Then you can just grab this, push it up till you hear that click, and then you're good. And then you're all done. So if you liked the video, found some value in this, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. And click here for some additional maintenance on the Corolla. Oh wow.